Did you know? The richest people in the world don't actually work for money. Sounds shocking, right? Because since childhood, we're told one simple rule: study hard, get a job, work harder, and money will follow. But if working hard alone made people rich, then the hardest workers on earth would be millionaires. They're not. Most are still struggling. So what's the difference? The average person works for money. The rich work to build things that make money. When you work for money, your income is tied to your time. No work, no pay. Get sick, money stops. Take a break, money stops. That's a trap most people never escape. The richest people figured out something early. Time is limited. Money is not. So instead of selling hours, they build assets. Assets are things that earn money without your constant effort. Businesses. Investments, real estate, content, systems. When you buy something online at midnight, the owner isn't awake working for that money. When a stock pays dividends, the investor didn't clock in that day. Money moves even when they don't. That's the goal. Rich people don't chase paychecks. They chase ownership. Employees ask, how much do I earn per hour? Owners ask, how much does this earn over time? Schools teach us how to be good workers, not good owners. They teach effort, not leverage. Here's the truth most people never hear. Money doesn't pay effort. Money pays value. If you create value for a few people, you earn little. If you create value for millions, you earn more without working harder. That's why one app, one idea, or one system can make someone wealthy for life. This doesn't mean rich people are lazy. They work but not for money. They work to build systems. They work to buy time. They work today so they don't have to tomorrow. And here's the most important part. You don't need to be rich to start thinking like the rich. Instead of asking, how can I make quick money? Ask, what can I build that pays me again and again? The moment you stop chasing money and start building value, everything changes. Because money follows value. Freedom follows ownership. And that's why the richest people don't work for money, they make money work for them. If this opened your mind even a little, hit like, subscribe for more real truths about money, wealth, and freedom. Because once you understand this, you'll never look at money the same way again.